Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. So here in this video, I will explain you in detail about the BE project. Here you can see that Mr. Adib Mansoori from Ahmedabad have created a umbrella which is powered by solar and the LED light is also there. Your final year project should be a solution to already existing problem. This way, as an engineer, you would have contributed to society. To make it, you need to first find a problem, then define a problem statement, make literature survey, and find different approaches. Come, come up with your own approach and how your approach is different than others, and how your approach will solve the problem. Make the first prototype, test the prototype, and showcase your prototype. Here you can see that Mohammad Sohail from Mangalore have created a 2 rupees kit which will be used to find out the protein energy malnutrition in a child, which will help society. The next slide is about your syllabus. Your BE project is divided into two parts, project stage 1 and project stage 2. So basically both stages is nothing but your complete project. The project stage 1 consists of term work 50 marks, practical and oral 50 marks. The total 100 marks is there for project stage 1. The objective of your project stage 1 is the project work enables the students to develop the required skills and knowledge gained during the program by applying them for the analysis of a specific problem or issue via a substantial piece of work which is carried out over an extended period. It also enables the students to demonstrate the proficiency in the design of a research project, application of an appropriate research method, collection and analysis of data, and presentation of results. There are some guidelines from Mumbai University. Number 1, to proceed with the project work, it is very important to select a right topic. Project can be undertaken on any domain of electronics and telecommunication program. Research and development projects on problem of practical and theoretical interest should be encouraged. Project work must be carried out by the group of at least 2 students and maximum 4 and must be original. Next, students can certainly take ideas from anywhere, but be sure that they should evolve them in the unique way to suit their project requirement. The project work can be undertaken in a research institute or organization, company, in any business establishment. Student must consult internal guide along with external guide if any in selection of topic. Head of department and senior staff in the department will take decision regarding selection of project. Student has to submit weekly progress report to the internal guide, and whereas internal guide has to keep track on the progress of project and also has to submit and maintain attendance report. This progress report can be used for awarding the term work marks. In case of industry project, visit by internal guide will be preferred. Now after that, the project report format is given, and very important, how your term work marks will be evaluated. You can see that weekly attendance on project diary. Number 2, contribution in the project work. Number 3, project report. And number 4, term and presentation. The final certification and acceptance of term work ensures the satisfactory performance on the above aspects. Oral practical exams. In oral practical exams, the project should be conducted by internal and external examiners approved by the University of Mumbai. Students have to give presentation and demonstration on the project 1. Now, these are very important points. As I already told you, the BE project is for a complete year. You can follow these 4 steps, and these 4 steps is nothing but the 2 steps from SAM 7 and the next 2 steps for SAM 8. Now Number one, literature survey. Here you are supposed to take time on exploring your idea. In this survey, you should focus more deeply on your idea and find pros and cons. Fix your scope of project. Number two, technology analysis. Here you are supposed to analyze various technologies which you are required to complete your project. Choose a programming language which has more libraries to support your project. For example, your social network project can be implemented in PHP, Python or Java. You will require to choose one web framework for actual development. Accordingly, you have to choose a database which is supported by your programming language. You will have to learn new technologies and frameworks so that you can code in it. Now, in semester 8, so in semester 7, basically you have to do a literature survey and technology analysis for your project title. In semester 8, here the main steps come: designing. Before this phase, you should be clear with your idea and technologies required for your project. In designing, you should build a proper design and architecture of your project. Keep this design simple. Take pen and paper and draw on blank sheet a simple design. This design should include how many modules will be developed, how each module will work with each other. And then last step, development and testing. Here you have to code actual stuff. You have already created designs and done enough of survey. Use this knowledge and design to develop your project and do enough testing. And after that, your prototype will be ready. Now here I have mentioned very 4 important points. Identify the projects that are required by the industry. Don't do the project which are already done by the seniors. Accept project from industry and execute it with the help of professors. Number 4, avoid assembling kits. Apart from your project, after completion of your project, you have to publish a paper or you have to present your project in national or international conference. Now, what are the benefits after going through a project work? Number 1, interview questions. As we all know, 40% of interview questions are going to be from your final year engineering project. Interviewers will ask you questions about your academic projects. Their main motive is to check how good you are at your practical skills. Your project gives you an opportunity to put theoretical knowledge to actual practice. So be honest with your academic project and make the best out of it. Number 2, practical experience. The practical experience gained will not only help with interviews but also help you be a better engineer. By doing your own project, you will develop a good understanding of all principles involved. Also, you have a higher chance of getting a job. There are so many domains in which you can do your project: artificial intelligence, big data analytics, data science, and IoT, and so many other domains are there. Number 3, it will attract recruiters. Achievements can boost your resume, which actually attract recruiters. As a student, a good way to prove achievement is by showcasing the work you have done in your projects. So for this purpose, you have to continuously update about your project on your social platform like GitHub and LinkedIn, where you have to post everything about your project, what is going on, and how your project is beneficial for the society. Now, what is the immediate task for you? Number 1, form a group of minimum 2 and maximum 4 students. Number 2, contact to guide as per your domain interest before 30 July. The information about guide domain and the titles from that domain will be shared with you. Number 3, start preparing for zero presentation. So there will be a zero presentation on 21 August which you will give in front of project committee. The formats for zero presentation will be provided to you. And number 4, start updating your project diary. As we see in our syllabus, you have to continuously report to your guide, and that reporting will be recorded on project diary, which will help your guide to evaluate your term work marks. I hope you people know about the project and you will complete the 4 tasks, and stay healthy, stay safe.